have some decluttering to do. You like decluttering? No? No.
So quite often people figure that they can just declutter as they go. But this is what happens. You wear something, you put it here, you try it on, decide you don't want to wear it, decide it doesn't fit, decide it doesn't look good, and it all piles up. How do you tell what's what at the end of that? Pile of clothing that just sits there that you said, I'm going to declutter that, and then didn't. You said, I'll go through it someday. I'll do it later, when I have time. I don't have time to spend a whole day decluttering. I can't do it all. I'm too busy. I'm too tired. Because somebody over there decided she's just having a nap instead. There's a lot of things going on in life, and I just don't have time. The last summer I went through and learned how to Konmari fold, and I decluttered some of my clothes. So you can see 3 pair of shorts at the top I decluttered. And then I decluttered a pair with this weird pattern. It just didn't look right. I bought them, I wanted them, I loved them, tried them, didn't work. This pair here, too light of a color, so when you sweat, it really doesn't look right. And this pair here, I did keep just for a backup pair for around the house. Pile of stuff to go through that was in storage, so we went through that as well. I even had some stuff hiding under the bed. So last year I did get rid of 19 pair of shorts. 19. That was round 1 of Konmari. So what shall we find in round 2?
You gotta look in the closet. Do some decluttering. We have too many clothes? I have too many clothes, yes. It's time to declutter. So you can find things instead of looking and fighting and looking more and not finding what you need and making it more difficult than it needs to be. And having less can sometimes be easier and better. So we use Marie Kondo's Konmari method to pile everything on the bed? No, I don't think we're going to do that. Not with all the dog hair. Because I don't want to wash everything again. This summer I have organized a drawer of what I wear around the house and what I used to wear to work all the time. So for work we had to have shorts that were fingertip length. So I'd have one for every day. And then laundry schedule is much easier. I lost my 5 out of 10 pounds this summer, so I fit in these again. Fantastic. Couple more pair, that's 3, just in case a laundry day didn't happen. I have some shorter shorts for tanning, for just around the backyard, where nobody else is around. Then I have jean shorts, a couple of the shorter pairs for comfy leisure, a longer pair for in between weather and family occasions, maybe being out and about. If you're interested in knowing how to fold the Konmari method, I think I'm going to do one on these. And I already did one on the exercise shorts. So I also have 2 pair of just dark, comfortable wear. They're loose, they're comfortable for more family settings and just events. What I did unfortunately have to do and find is that I had 5 pair of shorts that I used for good, I guess, that were too snug, too tight. They didn't fit at the beginning of summer. Quite often I lose about 10 pounds over the summer. I've only lost 5 this summer. I gain weight over the winter, so, you know, fluctuate. So these have not fit all summer. So I'm going to put these into storage. Yes, I know, storage. Because, you know, trying to get healthier, trying to get more exercise. We go for more walks, don't we, Bean? Yes, we get more exercise. It's not about the number, it's about being healthy. So we figure we'll probably fit into these. But next summer we'll try them again. I have a tote for storage. Good sized tote. Only half full. And now I've just put in 5 pairs of shorts. Because you can get it on does not mean it fits. Technically, yeah. So remember, when doing Marie Kondo's KonMari method, you are going to find the items of this category from all over the house. So not just in my bedroom, but in my spare bedroom, my storage, anywhere that you have this item or this category, you have to look and put them all together and make choices on all of them. So I did purchase 2 pair of shorts this year because last year I bought these that are shorts and they look like a skirt and I absolutely loved it. So I bought 2 more because I mean I had 5 that I no longer wear and a whole bunch that I sold and donated. So I deserve a couple new ones, but I only bought 2 to serve this purpose. They have a belt spot, so if I lose more weight, then they will fit still, and they're stretchy, so if I gain a little, they will still look loose and comfortable and be fine. From my summer wardrobe, I decluttered 5 pairs of shorts. 2 of them were dress shorts, and 3 of them were just regular everyday shorts. I found they just didn't fit right. They weren't comfortable. You know, maybe the pocket detail wasn't really helping me look my best. The waistline was not comfortable. It was making me not look my best. Or they just didn't fit right. So, you know, since I have quite a bit already, why not just allow myself to keep what I love and declutter what doesn't work for me? And then I just have to kind of show you something that, a reason why, even though I liked them, you know, fun detailing, I'm just going to show you why some outfits just aren't meant for me. And so sometimes people get upset that clothing doesn't fit. Don't think of it as something's wrong with your body. Just think it's not meant for you. You know, for once, size fit, the waist is too big. Quite often, that happens to me. It's one of my biggest problems. I have all this extra space in my shorts. That's not gonna help me any. You know, yeah, I kept my other shorts underneath because you don't want to see how much extra. And this may not be your style, but it's definitely not my shape. Time to let it go. Because who needs to put themselves through that emotion or think that there's something wrong with themselves when it's just the cut item. It's just the fit of the item. It's not you. It's the clothing. It's not me. It's you. And not everything is going to fit the way you want it to. And that's okay. Because when you find things that do fit and are comfortable, that's what you should keep. And that's what you should be shopping for if you decide that you need more. But first, declutter.